world around us is a living poem. The dawn spills gold across the horizon, painting the sky with hope. Rivers weave through valleys like silver threads, carrying life wherever they flow. Forests stand as ancient guardians, breathing for the earth, whispering stories to the wind. Everywhere we look, beauty surrounds us. In the fragile wings of a butterfly, in the patient strength of a mountain, in the endless sky that calls us to dream. Nature is not silent. It sings, it glows, it endures. But this song is delicate. The rivers can run dry. Forests can fall silent. The balance that sustains life can shatter, not by fate, but by our own hands. We are not a part of this world. We are woven into it. The air that fills our lungs, the food that nourishes us, the water that quenches our thirst, all are gifts of the earth. To wound it is to wound ourselves. Yet, there is hope. When we protect, when we nurture, when we care, the earth responds. A tree planted grows into a forest. A clean river flows back to life. A choice made with love can echo for generations. Nature's beauty is not only what we see, it is what it makes possible. It is the promise of tomorrow, the inheritance of our children, the legacy of care we choose today. We are caretakers of God's garden. Our Creator loves diversity, the abundance of uniqueness. Let us celebrate the differences and learn from each other. We play a pivotal role in His garden. The earth, in all its wonder, is worth protecting.